George, we need to finish this conversation, please. Oh, June. Hey, wow, wow, great lip. That's great job.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais, Cédric? Hein? Hein? Fais-tu des sourires? Fais un sourire pour grand-maman. Ouais. Ouais.
Oh, well, that's okay, because I
Ouais, hein?
often have some sex myself. I mean, not, you know, not by myself, but with somebody. With somebody else. Oh, you don't know, he's in my apartment. Yeah, in my bed.
Ouais. Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Barry.
Hein?
Yeah. Barry in my bed.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais, mon prince? Avec tes grands yeux verts?
That was embarrassing.
Allô? 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 Allô?